Hello everyone. Once again welcome back to another brand new video from Ecom Clips. In today's video, I will discuss top 3 Amazon PPC strategies for beginners. If you are new to Amazon and want to run advertising campaigns for your products, then you must follow these steps. So without any delay, let's jump into today's topic. Okay, so my first strategy is organize your campaigns. When I say organize your campaigns, that means if you want to create any new campaign, I prefer create one campaign and that one ad group under that campaign, and then put 10 to 20 keywords in that ad group. This way you can organize your campaign. And if any product have more than 10 to 20 keywords, then you can create separate campaign and organize the same way. Let me explain this. Okay, so from my advertising campaigns, let's pick one campaign. For example, this one, it was created in back to 2019. So let's open this campaign. So when I created this campaign, I put 5 different ad groups under that single campaign. And if I see the last 30 days data, you can see that this top one spent maximum for this campaign, and second this one, and gradually the spending getting slow for the other ad groups. But if I see the performance, here you can see that this ad group's performance is better than the second one. Even also like the last one, if I see the result, you can see that the CPC is also less than other ad groups. Okay, so the issue has happened for budget. When you put several ad groups under one campaign, you will see that only 1 or 2 ad groups will spend the maximum money, and the rest of the ad groups will not get enough budget. Even if you increase your campaign level budget, you will see that the top 1 or 2 ad groups will spend the full money. This is why the rest of the ad groups doesn't get enough budget. So to fix this issue, you need to create one campaigns and put one ad group so that the ad group will get the full budget of your campaigns. And so far, as we don't have option to put ad group level budget, that is why I prefer to put one ad group under one campaigns. And in future, if you see that Amazon has come with the ad group level budget, then you can create several ad groups under one campaign. Okay, now let's open an ad group. So from this ad group, if I go to the targeting section, here you can see that I have total 100 keywords for this ad group. And when I sort by spend, I can see that for the last 30 days, I spent $435 for this ad group. And for the top keywords, I spent 300 above money only on this keyword, and rest of the keywords just spending less money. And when I scroll down, you can see that only 10 to 20 keywords are spending the money, and rest of the keywords don't have any impressions, clicks or spend. That means maximum budget is spending on the top 3 to 5 keywords. That is why I suggest to put 10 to 20 keywords under one ad group. Because if you put so many keywords in one ad group, you will see that only 10 to 15 keywords will spend the money and rest of the keywords will not get enough traffic. As you put these keywords, so these keywords are relevant to your product, right? So why don't you get traffic for those keywords? So that is why I suggest please put those keywords in separate campaign and put separate budget, and then you will see that they will start spending. I can show you many more examples like this. So that is why I suggest please create one campaign and then one ad group under that campaign and put maximum 10 to 20 keywords in that ad group. And if you have more keywords for that single items, you can create another campaign and put 10 to 20 keywords. This way you can organize your campaigns for getting better results. So my second strategy is using different mesh types for your advertising campaigns. While you create keyword targeting campaigns, I suggest please use all broad, phrase and exact mesh types for your products, because you don't know what mesh types will do better for your products. Let me explain this. While creating any new campaigns for any of your product, and if you select only exact mesh types, it will work like if you target only 10 keywords, then you will repeatedly get the same search terms for those keywords. And if you select the phrase mesh types, maybe for the 10 keywords, you will get 20 to 30 search terms. And again, if you select the broad mesh types, there is a chance of getting like around 50 to 60 search terms for those keywords, only 10 keywords. So that means if you select broad phrase and exact match types for the same keywords, there is a chance of getting more search terms for your products, and still you do not know like which match types will do better for your products. So that is why I suggest you can use all three match types for the same keywords, and you can keep them separate campaigns. So after 2 to 3 weeks, you can analyze the results. If you see that, okay, these match types is doing well for my products, so I can keep pushing them. But I always suggest, please at least try once all the match types for your listings. Now, my third and last strategy is optimize your campaigns through the targeting tab. You know, this is the most effective way you can optimize your PPC campaigns within a very short time. Let me show you. Here you can see all the targets of your all campaigns together, and you can select any date range from here and see the results. And based on the results, you can do some filtrations, whatever you want, and optimize your campaigns most effectively within a very short time. Anyway, we already have an entire video on this tab only, so I am not repeating this. If you missed that video, please watch it from the I button. So that was my 3 Amazon PPC strategies for beginners. We have managed over 500 accounts so far. So if you need any more help with your advertising campaigns, simply let us know at info@ecomclips.com. Thanks for watching this video. I will get back to you soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.